tearing your entire house apart, flipping over couch cushions, and emptying out every bag you own because you can't find your car keys when you're already 10 minutes late for an important meeting is an absolute nightmare that completely ruins your morning momentum. Relying on basic memory loops or old-school Bluetooth tiles traps you with weak connection ranges and glitchy apps that do nothing but beep faintly from the next room. The Apple AirTag, second generation, 4-pack completely rescues you from the panic of lost belongings, functioning as a high-velocity, global tracking matrix engineered to keep your keys, wallet, luggage, and daily gear instantly discoverable anywhere on Earth. Don't let its identical, coin-sized aesthetic fool you. Under that sleek white and polished steel exterior lies a completely overhauled tracking engine. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the integration of Apple's advanced second-generation ultra-wideband (UWB) chip. This upgraded hardware layout unlocks a massive 1.5x greater precision finding range, allowing your compatible iPhone or Apple Watch to lock onto its signal from 50% farther away. Instead of walking around in blind circles, your device delivers high-fidelity, directional haptic feedback and real-time visual arrows guiding you straight to the exact location of your target, whether it's slipped behind a dresser or buried deep inside a backpack. Engineered to solve the real-world frustrations of the original model, the second-gen AirTag features an internally redesigned speaker system that is a whopping 50% louder, making it vastly easier to hear over background noise, household chaos, or thick fabric layers. Setting up the 4-pack requires zero technical effort. A simple one-tap proximity pop-up seamlessly links each tracker to your Apple account. Once active, they plug into the power of the global Find My network, utilizing millions of anonymous Apple devices out in the wild to securely ping and map your lost items with end-to-end encryption. Backed by a rugged IP67 water and dust-resistant rating to survive deep puddles or spills, and powered by a standard, user-replaceable CR2030 2-point-cell battery that lasts well over a year, it is the ultimate stress-free security upgrade for travelers, parents, and daily commuters who demand uncompromised peace of mind for their essential gear. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price on this essential 4-pack. Drop a comment letting me know if you're slipping these new second-gen AirTags into your travel luggage or tagging your daily keychain and wallet. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more everyday carry gear breakdowns, smart home tech, and premium product reviews, and I will see you in the next video.